Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Ashraf Alam Rahat, a student of Software Engineering Department at Dafur International University. Today I will talking about my my curriculum achievement and academic outcome. I would like to start by giving a short introduction about myself before my academic success and the outcome I have faced. At first, I finished my SSC level in 2019 from Amin Model Town School and College with GPA 4.17. Then I completed my HSC level in 2021 from College of Finance and Management on focus on science with GPA 4.17. I am an active member of Software Engineering Club at Dafur International University. My favorite project is RoboPoco, a smart suitcase. It can follow you like a royal friend and traveling thing. It moves in any direction, like using Bluetooth control from using your mobile phone. This project is full of meaning sensor, logics and real innovation. I have worked with programming language like C++, Java, JavaScript and Python. I really enjoy working with technology. I excited to keep learning, improving like as a software engineering. I look forward to avail my skill on real world project. Thank you for your listening. I believe that passion, practice and teamwork will help me to reach my goal. I am getting started. I am determined to build a strong future.